Welcome to my channel, Filipina Bisaya Netherlands. These are the verses that you have to declare when you pray to the Lord our God. Mark chapter 11 verse 24. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. 1 John chapter 5 verse 14 and 15. And this is the confidence that we have toward Him, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. And if we know that He hears us, in whatever we ask, we know that we have the request that we ask of Him. Psalm 66 verse 19. But truly God has listened. He has attended to the voice of my prayer. Psalm 118 verse 21. I will give thanks, for you answered me. You have become my salvation. Jeremiah 33 verse 3. Call unto me, and I will answer thee, and show thee great and mighty things which thou knowest not. Matthew 7:7. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened for you. James 4:2. You don't have because you do not ask.